guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm fixing my house up ready for spring, and as you know, I have the Tuscan decor I have, and it also fits in nicely with some farmhouse. So let me show you what I decided to do. Now this did not come from Dollar Tree. This I bought at AC Moore about a year ago, and it was on sale. It was $12 and it was 50% off, so I got it for $7, and I just haven't done anything with it. So I thought that this would be the perfect time to do something with that. So you'll need a container, and if I had some more glass containers from Dollar Tree, you could definitely put that, this is what I'm gonna do, in a container, and it would be gorgeous. And then I just picked this up last year from Dollar Tree. You can see it right here, how they came. And I have 2 bunches of them. And then I have some of the Excelsior from the Dollar Tree. And then I just have some jute and a glue gun and some scissors. So what I think I'm gonna do is this is gonna be a very simple and quick DIY, but I think it's gonna really give us a nice look. So let me get this loose. And I'm gonna put this down in here. And this always makes such a mess. But it's so pretty. I don't mind. Okay. All right. And then this cannot be any easier than this. Now I'm just going to drop some of this down in there. I already had this open, so I thought I would use some of that. And I'm wanting to bring in maybe some of the lighter colors. And then I'll just open this one. But you could even put lights down in here that were, run on batteries if you wanted. Oh, the possibilities are absolutely endless that you could do. But I just really want it to have a very simple, let's see, I don't know if I want that. I don't think I want to put that one in there. Okay, then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue some jute right around this rim. I think it's gonna add a lot to it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue on the tip of this. And that way, if I change my mind and wanna take it off, I'll still be able to do that. And then I'm just gonna pull it nice and taut and just keep wrapping it right around. Because I want to be able to actually see this and make sure it's getting wide on both sides. Okay. I love jute. Okay, and I'll just take it to about right here and cut it. Then all I'm gonna do is put some glue right on this, and we are almost done. And if you did this with a Dollar Tree vase, it would be really simple, like I said. And there that is, it's gorgeous. But it took what it actually does is it gives it such a farmhouse Tuscan flair. I mean, because it's a beautiful container, but that jute just added another dimension, and excelsior down here. So I'm gonna go put it somewhere in my house and I'll let you see what it looks like. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put it in here in my kitchen, just right beside of my stove, but I really love how it looks. And I like how it looks over there with the little succulent DIY I did. But I could also put it in there on my entryway table, which is where I may put it. I'm really not sure. But I think I like this pretty well. I'll just have to see. And you could put some greenery even sticking up out of that as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.